Not happy with the first batch of my chickpea brownies. Definitely too dry, crumbly, not what I was hoping for. So I'm going to be trying out a bunch of variations to that. Just to show you the state of my kitchen this evening. But just made a much more promising version of the brownie. So I'm going to put this one in the oven and I will show you how it comes out. Yum. It's 9 o'clock, definitely had enough of cooking for the day. Slightly happier with this version of the brownie. This has got peanut butter swirl on the top. But I'm just having still some issues with texture. This one is just coming out, it's still crumbly. But yeah, there's just not enough hours in the day really for the amount of experimenting that I want to do. But hopefully I'll try some other variations tomorrow, Friday, and hopefully we'll find the right one. So my energy balls are ready. They've come out of the blender. I've rolled them up, washed my hands of course. You can do so many different variations with these. So I've got one with just the dates, the nuts and the nut butter and some cinnamon in there. But then I've got another variation where I put some pea protein powder, some cacao powder in there. So there's so many different things you can do, because you can also do carrot versions, carrot cake, coconut. So lots of room for experimenting, but they are really good and they keep you filled up. I'm going to try brownies next, so let you know how it goes.